Hello guys, this is Ravindra. You are watching Ravindra Info YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to attach or add volume to the Docker container. First of all, we log into the EC2 console and after that we will connect using Putty tool. If you can see, we can copy the public IP and paste it to the host name putty's configuration file. This is the putty's configuration file, and after that click on SSH plus button, and after that click on auth and select the private key file for authentication, and click on browse button. After that, what is the key pair we are using to this EC2 console? We want to give that one. We will give some Docker service. I can see you. You can see right guys. I was using key pair is Docker service. So if you can browse Docker service ppk file into your local downloads and click on open, and after that if you want any changes into the console, you can change using you can see right within Windows there is appearance of you click on appearance, and after that click on this button change, and can enter the size 16 or anything or 18, depends on you. For better quality I will use 16, and after that click on OK and click on open. Yeah, this is Ubuntu mission. We will give Ubuntu for for login as. Yeah, successfully logged in. You can change normal user to root user using sudo su hyphen. Yeah, you can see right, is there a dollar symbol, and you can see is there a hash symbol. The hash symbol means the root user, and dollar symbol like normal user. Can okay, we can do one thing. Enter docker ps if any running container are there. Okay, no one container runs now. We will create one MySQL container, and MySQL container to attach a value to the MySQL container. That's a single command we will use. Okay, simply go through the my docker hub and search in the search bar MySQL. If you want run any container, if you want to run any container, you can simply go through the docker hub website and see this is the official image of MySQL page, right? Image. You can simply click on the and if you have scroll down, there is a some examples to run MySQL container, right? Yeah, you can see docker run hyphen name. In this container name is some MySQL, and we'll use variables using hyphen e command, MySQL root underscore password, and the password we want to enter, and hyphen d for detached mode, and You can see, right, this is the image name, and the tag is latest one. If you want to uh, give tag is nothing but the version. If you want to give 8.0.31 or 8.0 or 8 anything, these are the versions. So if you want to have one, if you want to 5.7.40 Debian, you can give the tag column. If you want to give that version, you can install that version only. These are the reference file uh, to run a container in any file, not only MySQL, not only WordPress, not only CentOS. Any one image have a own particular process to install. You can see, right, we will install this one. I will search for volume. Yeah, you can see, right, under way to store data, there is a -v command. -v, these are the path where I will give my uh, MySQL volume, attach the value to the folder, and this is the destination where the file uh, destination. Okay, so I can simply write a file for you guys. Can use first of all docker run, and after that I can use some name hyphen using hyphen name command, and I will use my SQL underscore one, uh, my SQL underscore one name. And after that I will give some variables. I will discuss variables on another video. This is a small subject, I will definitely know, but as of now you can see like that only. And hyphen v for a variable MySQL root password, I will give my password. This is the password to enter into the MySQL database. And after that I will give hyphen v the volume. If we want to give volume, we have some path, right? You can see, right, in this in the example column, under my own data, this is the path where I can get my data in container or some folder. So first of all I will create one folder. You can simply uh, click on and click on right button. You can get this tab. I can use duplicate session as this session. Ubuntu, the same session is upcoming. You can see IP address is same, right? This is the second window I'm using for creating folders. You can see, right, there is a uh, compose test and home snap only. Okay, we can create one uh, directory. That's why I'm using mkdir mysql -1. This is my path to use to store data into into the MySQL data, and I will give that name MySQL 1 is to. This is the important part. You can see. Uh, will install, the destination will be uh, where live MySQL. If you can use another one, the container cannot be run, because MySQL runs on this one only. After that, hyphen d for detach mode. You can give hyphen dt also, and the image name MySQL. That's it, guys. If you want to give the latest version, give the latest version, or if you want to some 8.0 version, you can simply give that 8.0 version. What happening, guys? I will use I was using some rank key, that's why okay, I will use second time. Docker run hyphen name MySQL underscore 1 hyphen e MySQL. Can use capital for this. MySQL MySQL underscore root underscore password. You can see, right? Score root underscore password equal to my password hyphen v MySQL one. This is the folder we will create. I am created earlier, and where lib MySQL. This is the path where lib MySQL, and after that hyphen dt for detached mode, and image name MySQL, and the latest one. Yeah. After that, click enter. I will give hyphen v is some. I want to give some small v. I was giving capital V for that. That's why I'm showing like this. And we want to give some port. We definitely give. We will give some port. We will see what are the ports they are running in the official webs image. Click on dockerfile, the newer version, and you can see, right, under expose, you can see, right, this is the port they are using, 3306. We will use that port, that level 306 to the host port runs on 8080, for example, and click on enter, everything is same. So if you can see, right, the reference id created, that means the container got running. You can see docker using docker ps command. You can see, right, the container id and the image mysql latest and the name. We are using the command. What are the command you are using? Creating 14 seconds ago and running up 12 seconds ago, and the ports we will give 3306, and the host port running on 8080. The image name, what is that? The image name, sorry, the container name. If you can inspect the value created or not, how would you know the value created or not? You cannot let know, right? So we can use docker volume ls. If you can see, right, there is a lots of drivers, and there is a there is this is one volume, and this is one volume, this is one volume, this is one volume, like but you can see, right, we will give mysql -1 will give named value for MySQL container. You can see, right, there is a value called MySQL 1. If you want to see the inspect the container running up and the value is attached to the container, you can use execute sorry docker inspect the container name mysql underscore 1. You can see, right, under mount section there is a type we are using volume, and the name, the value name is mysql1, and the source is varlib docker volumes mysql data 1 slash data, and the destination will be this one. If you want data mysql data, we will simply go through the simply inspect this one, that's it only. So if you want data, you can simply copy this one, and docker inspect and this one, that's it. Sorry, you'll use some ls to view data. So this is the data we have as of now into the mysql container. If you want to log into your sql container, you can use docker. First you want to execute the, if you want to execute means you want to enter that particular command, docker execute -it, the particular name mysql underscore 1, and bash. See, right, you, we went entered into the mysql container. After that, if you want to enter, if you want to view the database in your MySQL container, you have one command called MySQL hyphen space hyphen u space root hyphen p. This is the command we enter into the MySQL database. Earlier we will give some hyphen e, the variables, right? My password can enter in this column, my password, my password. Will give some wrong password, my password. using password, yes. One second, guys. My password, we will give some capital letters. Okay. Yeah, you can see, right? We'll log into the MySQL database. If you can see the database, what are the database files in the MySQL? Uh, we have a command called show databases. That's it. This is the database of information schema, MySQL performance schema, and SYS. If you can create one folder into your MySQL database, create database database space, the what are the folder you are creating, that folder I am creating some Ravi folder. That's it. After that, simply give colon and enter. You can see, right, create database Ravi, uh, query, okay, one row affected. After that, show database bases. You can see, right, the Ravi folder or directory is under created under the databases. So if you want to exit MySQL database, you can simply use exit command and click enter to your back to the original container. uh, that is for today, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. If you want any videos Jenkins or Kubernetes, anything you want, as a DevOps engineer, I will give you the best videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please click on bell icon. You can get these